Hi everyone, I'm back with the brand growth idea of this week, and today I'm going to talk about how adding a personal brand, a big personal brand, adds to your brand value and thereby leads to brand growth. Let me take you back to the Cadbury's fiasco when the news was all over that there were worms found in the Cadbury's chocolate. And it was literally a heartbreaking news for the millions of Cadbury's chocolate fans who believed and trusted in the brand, and they loved the brand to the extent that people had started replacing the brand with the traditional Indian sweets. Suddenly, all of the love for the brand turned into doubt, hatred, confusions, and the brand needed to deal with it. That's when we saw Amitabh Bachchan talking about the brand, bringing forth their story to us, and and he started to rebuild the brand trust among the audiences. Now, let me take you back to the story which I read in an interview by the then Cadbury's head, Mr. Puri, wherein he shared that pulling in Amitabh Bachchan uh, was a result of a general regular meeting wherein one of the sales guy, Mr. Amit Upadhyay, pondered and like poured his art out and shared, I believe there are only two people who can actually bring back the trust in the brand. And when the authorities, the senior people in the team, asked him who he thinks they are, he said it could be Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the then Prime Minister of India, or the Millennium Star Amitabh Bachchan. And quite interestingly, while I read about this, it came to my mind. See, that's the beauty of the consumer insight. That salesperson represents the common man, the Aam Admi, and what they think and feel about it. And instantly, the brand got into action, understanding the fact that they cannot pull in the prime minister of a country to talk about their brand. They got in touch with Mr. Bachchan, and that's how the brand started reshaping and rebuilding their image with the help of the biggest personal brand of that times, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. He was all over the tabloids, the PR stories, the news coverage, the TVCs, and that's how bit by bit the brand got back on its feet. Coming back to the present times, when we all know about the apps which are launching every day, and how Bumble pulled in Priyanka Chopra as the personal brand to endorse as an investor, as someone who believes truly in the brand. Now, if we look at it from both the perspectives, for the larger audience, Priyanka Chopra is the brand who comes from the roots, is no star kid, and has got a beautiful story of about how she struggled with the inferiority complex as a child to bringing it all together and becoming the Miss India and Miss World, adding to the pride of the nation, to being a philanthropist, an ambassador for the nation, a goodwill ambassador, an actor, a musician, a producer, a business investor, a chief troublemaker, and whatnot. Like, her profile is the apt profile for capturing the audiences that this new app, Bumble, is actually looking at. She is the right personal brand to bring forth your story and to take it forward to the audiences who love her for what she is, for what she has achieved, and how she is truly the Desi girl for the Indian audiences, and yet a globally established huge personal brand. So that's the power of bringing in personal brands work with you. Whether you are a small business, a startup, or somebody who is venturing out into a new product launches every day and is on expansion spree, Find out who are the right personal brands to work with, who can add really to the moolah of what you're offering, who can bring forth your brand story, who can add to your brand equity, and work with them. Remember, people invest in people, and when you pull in a big personal brand to work with you, it is taken as an acceptance by that personal brand. So the faith in the personal brands brings trust for your brand. That's how the entire mix works. It adds to your brand equity, it adds to your brand valuation, it wins you trust and credibility, and overall it wins you a person who can be the endorser, the influencer for your brand. So next, when you are working on the growth drive for your brand, thinking how to take it a step ahead, or venturing in into a new expansion or diversification, or taking it to a new audience altogether, find out who is the big personal brand you can pull in to work with, and that would make your growth and revenue journey easier. Drop in questions if you have anything related to brand growth or personal branding, and I will see you soon with more brand growth ideas in the coming week. Until then, take care, stay safe, do not put your guard off, and we'll keep on meeting week on week. Happy branding!